From the Eyewitness News Station, this is Eyewitness News Daybreak.
Turkey, potatoes, and pie. The homeless center fights hunger this holiday season with a full Thanksgiving feast.
Well, as you heard,
4th Street.
Most of us are looking forward to celebrating Thanksgiving with friends, family, and a big old turkey dinner. But some people aren't so lucky. 29 Eyewitness News reporter Amity Idrisi has more on a special celebration for Bakersfield's homeless.
The cafeteria at the homeless center was packed full with families. Hundreds of turkeys and pies were donated to make the meal possible. But as homeless center director Louis Gill points out, this is just the beginning of a season that requires tremendous community support to make the holiday season a reality for so many. The Bakersfield Homeless Center Thanksgiving dinner was welcomed with smiles and good cheer. 4 days of preparation came together, feeding hundreds of homeless center residents and guests. Michelle McMillan lives at the homeless center. She's far from her hometown, but says she's thankful for the community support.
Right now, I would love to be with my family up in Michigan, and I can't. But, you know, just knowing that people come together like this, it makes you appreciate a lot more.
Most of the food for the meal was donated. Only a third of the fixings had to be purchased by the center. Bakersfield doctor Darshan Shah has financially supported the center for years. This year, he says, he wanted total involvement.
To actually be here in the environment and seeing what's actually happening here. And I wanted my staff to see it, give them a better appreciation for what's going on in our community and where help is needed.
Help for families like the Abernathys who rely on the center for support. Tanner Abernathy has lived at the center for 3 months. He says Sunday's dinner was a special treat.
It's cool that people think about us because we really don't have much.
Dr. Shaw says he plans to stay involved in helping the homeless center and offers this advice for others who want to lend a hand in the upcoming holiday season.
Volunteers are needed so badly. Sometimes we get thinking that volunteers, you know, your time really won't be well spent, or maybe they don't need you, or there's someone else doing it, where there really isn't someone else doing it. You got to get out there. You got to offer your help.
Homeless Center Executive Director Louis Gill says they need all the help they can get for the upcoming holiday season. He says with the public's help, they can give kids staying at the center a very special Christmas. And they say they even expect a special guest. If you'd like to donate to the Homeless Center, you can do so by contacting them at 322-9199. For Eyewitness News, I'm Amity Idrisi.
Amity, thank you. Here's